Doesn't this just look gorgeous? Keep watching and learn how to make it here on Life of Pang. I wanted to make an ube cake because I just love that purple color, but I have been unsuccessful using fresh potatoes. So this is my interpretation of my purple ube cake. I highly recommend using cake flour if you can to get this soft, moist, and fall apart cake. All-purpose flour may be alright. You may get a slightly different texture. I do have links down below for similar products that I've used if you are interested. Make sure your butter is at room temperature and cream it until smooth. And add the sugar in halves. So add 1/2, beat it for about 30 seconds. And then add the rest of the sugar and beat it for about 30 seconds. Now add the eggs one at a time, beating about 1 minute between each add. And I'm adding the pandan flavoring extract. You can use vanilla extract, and the food coloring is optional. I have this violet color. Just mix until they are incorporated. Now alternate adding the flour and the milk in thirds. As you can see, my batter is creamy and smooth. It's almost the texture of frosting. Line your pot or pan and try to evenly distribute the batter all over the bottom. And we can start our first bake. And keep in mind that one bake cycle is 5 to 10 minutes in high heat in that cooked status and 20 to 25 minutes in that lower heat in warm status. This is after 2 bake cycle, which is 1 hour. And nope, not ready yet. And after 3 bake cycle, which is 1.5 hour, and our toothpick is coming out clean, so we are done baking. Make sure you cool it for about 1 to 2 hours if you are adding toppings or frosting. Just look at this gorgeous color. This cake is tasty the way it is, or you could top it with some powdered sugar. But I'm going to make a buttercream frosting, and this is completely optional. I do have more ingredients in my video, but I am lowering the amount in the actual recipe below because that was a lot of frosting and I had left over. Now you can frost your cake however you want, but I have a new toy, so I'm going to use it. I really appreciate you watching my video. Please click that like button because it really helps my channel out. And make sure you don't miss any new recipes every Saturday. by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell until the 2 wings show up. That way, you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And what do you think? Not bad, eh? Now don't be expecting fancy cake decoration in the future, okay? This cake is moist, soft, and crumbly, but not dry. It's surprisingly delicious. Definitely give it a try. The base cake itself is at a medium sweetness level, and with the frosting, it is sugar sweet. For those new to baking in your rice cooker, please pause the video to read these important tips.